Yeah, I don't want to. I know. I have that door on my thing.
I have two of them. I just didn't put them all out.
Oh,
Good morning.
Ask Alan, 'cause those are the old ones. That might work. How much
Look at
are
this
they?
Milton Poker strategy.
We just put it up
They of course go straight for the item that's not priced, right?
Oh, these are the preschool. How much
That's
are
a whole
these
set
for?
of them.
How much are they?
Express. Yeah, there's prices on these.
You have kids?
Right here,
I
yeah,
teach
$5.
school. I teach
Oh, you teach what age?
I teach 3-year-olds to 8th
Micro
grade.
X.
Oh,
It's physically impaired. They're in wheelchairs.
yeah. Good. Yeah.
We have a lot of musical instruments.
Oh, good. Really?
DVDs, 2 for $1. A lot of books. They are twins, yep. You can tell, right?
Yeah, no, that's very Yeah, probably not.
Oh, I miss my kid. I'm telling you, I just
It's a
I had
mirror
a daycare,
but it's pretty small. But it's like these two drops.
Battery up.
I did it all, you know, and then it didn't connect
That's weird.
That's a cover for a kid's comforter.
Ah, okay. It's interesting.
I had.
Yeah, no kid.
I'm with you. Let's go.
Did you find anything?
No. Good. Getting our morning exercise in.
Yeah. I'm getting a little myself.
Yeah. It's a lot of work to set these up.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, hello, Grandma and Grandpa. Did you make these?
No, my mother did.
Oh, cool.
She had a shop. And of course, doesn't go with my core, although this is Showstopper.
Yeah, they're nice. I've seen like the heads before. They were a kit.
Oh, well, that was all ceramic.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, porcelain.
Yeah, porcelain, yeah.
Good morning. How are you? How much is the little old man and the little old woman?
75 for all of it.
Wow, what a deal.
That looks like you and Alan, sure.
It does. Yeah, you can put it in your front yard.
I just don't know where I would. Very cute. Go up, boy.
Morning.
It's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't know what this is. Instead of making
How are you doing?
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Max.
So are you from Canada?
Yes.
Welcome to the neighborhood. I didn't just move in or no?
What?
The temperature thing?
Barometer? Probably not.
That looks nice.
It's a beautiful toaster. Leviton? Not really. The nail gun's cool.
The stapler thing?
No.
That's a nice backpack you got. It was
Hey,
GoPro.
yeah, thank you. So, did you say you've lived here? Or this was a vacation home?
This is our vacation home.
Okay.
We let it go. So we decided, we're not using it enough and it costs so much to maintain,
Oh, so you're gonna sell it?
We already sold it.
Oh,
Sorry.
congratulations.
Yeah.
Did it take a long time to sell or it sold pretty quick?
Sold it in
Less than 2 weeks, wow.
got what we were asking for.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Good. That's really good. Make an offer. That's a lot of screen material.
No, I think our screens are pretty good. If we'd bought that other house, maybe.
These might be. I don't know the price of anything. What is this? Garbage can?
That is some sort of a yard work tool.
Yeah, that's nice. How much is that for sale?
I would sell it, but that's so expensive. It's your face. $90. It's practically new. This product.
It's nice.
You know, record album? You know, record album?
Anything there?
This guy.
Record album, CDs, stuff like that.
Not really.
The gold or silver. The got gold or silver. No.
Precious
Double
gems.
barrel shotgun. 445. I got it.
Okay. Look at this. Records. Herb Alpert. Herb Alpert. Yeah, this is really old stuff. I can get a quick idea that I'm not interested.
I don't think so. It's the sign. Jesus for the reason. You want to keep that, right? I'll put it up one day. I stuck it in.
Nice.
Alright, not for sale.
That's fun.
There's some electronic stuff. I don't know, that's kind of cute.
That is very cute.
I might get it.
Let's-
I mean, I could use them for my kids to school, but I wouldn't buy it even.
Here we go. Bundy clarinet. That's nice. How much is the clarinet?
Are you musical?
I'm a little musical.
Make me an offer. So I'm not knowledgeable.
I wouldn't say I'm knowledgeable on the value of it. I don't know, $10?
Let me have my face and look it up.
Okay,
Yeah?
I'll put it here. What's this?
Oh, you need to come right.
What's that? Who are you talking to?
Yeah,
Oh, you're on the phone.
yeah,
Gotcha. Oh, nice.
yeah.
Very nice. Chainsaw.
Hey, this might be good for your life.
These have no value. Aurora. Yeah.
What you trying to spend for this clarinet?
Oh, I offered 10.
Oh, not for that much.
Okay. That's fine. Alright, I don't see really anything. Yeah. Boat, clippers, bolts, razors. What?
Is that a vacuum?
That is a vacuum, yes. A Kenmore vacuum. A lot of tools. $7 for that extension cord is nice.
Yes.
Look at these things.
Oh, those are neat.
They're cute.
They're cool.
Did you get it okay?
Yeah.
This little thing's perfect for your has all screws, everything else.
Yeah, it is nice.
Okay.
How fast does it go?
It goes at a pretty good clip if you put it all the way up.
Like 12 miles an hour?
No, not quite
No,
that
but my
fast.
mom
65.
feeding in assisted living.
Oh, did she really?
Ducks.
I hope I can keep walking.
Antique duck. Their brand. They're cool ducks. These are cool. These are cool. They're big. $20. I feel like my daughters would like this big giraffe. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, it's separate. Okay, interesting.
I like the lion.
I think my kids would love those.
I
Yeah,
know.
they're beautiful.
Aren't they? You see the giraffe back over there?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take that giraffe thing. I think my daughters really will like it.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
miss it.
Yeah,
That's it.
it's cool.
It's not mine, so I can miss it.
Do I owe you money?
No, 20 is what you had on
Oh,
it.
okay.
I was, so would you, that long extension cord, like with the bar, would you do 5 on that? You
Sure.
have 7 on it.
Sure. We'll make
It's a 10 if you have 5 back.
Are you gonna get these?
I got the giraffe. I think Anna would love it in her. I paid full price. I think Anna will love it.
I thought you'd do a whole offer on them.
They're too big. I don't think they can fit them. They have too much stuff. But that as like a centerpiece, I think they'd really like. If you want to grab some of it, I'm just waiting on change. She would love the elephant too, but I don't want to spend 30 bucks. Elephant's one of her favorite aminals.
When's her birthday?
Her birthday's not till June. Yeah, June. Thank you.
I could get it for her in June.
You could hold on to it if you want to. It's a good idea.
Okay.
So are you 25?
Right.
How about Elijah with the lion?
They're all pretty cool.
Right.
Like that thing, yeah, I mean, the lion and the elephant are the other cool ones that I think they'd like.
A good spray with the hose will get all of the dust off the.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll take the elephant.
Something of the nerve, the other one says and somebody said, well, that's worse, you might think it's got a hip replacement.
What?
I don't think Elijah would want one.
He probably would, but it just. We can, here, what we can do is we can say, I'll ask her. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, is there any chance you'd do 5 on the lion since we bought the other ones? Just because then we get one for each.
All right, so
Each
I'm gonna
kid.
buy the elephant and he's gonna get the lion.
Okay.
Okay? But I'm like, you gotta get one for this son. It was
Five
good
for you?
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
no, I'm
that's
buying
right.
the elephant
Okay.
for 10 and he can get that one for 5.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay the 10, he's gonna pay the 5.
Here's the 5 for the lion.
Thank you.
Come back. Excuse me.
Oh, you're getting all that thing.
I'm getting a couple of them, yeah. Oh, these Skechers. These are sweet. Really nice. Decent condition except for their sole. They're kid size. These are from IKEA. I just bought some yesterday. I don't know what she's charging, but this is interesting. It's kind of cool. A beater.
Yeah, beat it.
Oh, like a mixer. How much is your torch?
$3.
$3. Wonder if Tina would like it. Originally $19.99.
Oh.
So these are
Ones
cool.
pretty cool.
Yeah,
They look very clean.
except for the bottom. The girls would like them.
But will they fit them?
I don't
They're all
know.
bigger than me. I can check.
US 3.
Anna will fit them then. Because Anna fits in 3. Because that's what the size she got.
How much are these shoes?
Okay, no worries. $1 each shoe.
Alright, I'll get these.
Yeah, how about these? These might fit her.
Let me see.
They look pretty good.
Pretty dirty. I like these ones, but I don't think I need. Do you have a single? Do I have a single?
Yeah, I do. Well, no, yes, I do.
I have singles. I'll pay you back with interest. Here's for their shoes. Thank you.
These, they never use. And if they're Allen's size, $20. You can get them cheaper at Sam's.
That's her.
And that's then why.
Beanie Babies, Mom.
Huh?
23 Beanie Babies, $15.
Magnetic.
No? Bad Leroy brand. How much is this one? Remember that? Yeah. Baddest man in the whole. That's brand new.
Yeah. How much is that?
About 25.
Yeah.
15.
Maybe. How much are your DVDs?
$10 with this dirty hair set. $5 for the Miami Vice set.
How about the doors?
These are $1 a piece. How much is this? And the little book goes with it.
Maybe.
Little book goes with it. It's
Rachel Ray. Wasn't me. I didn't do it.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you doing?
We're doing good.
That's good. You have a lot of people come?
Yes.
Cool.
You know, they don't do advertising in the Penny Saver anymore. You have to go online. And
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh, how many people are going to see it, you know, but
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
How much are you selling your records for?
They're $5 an album
Okay.
because, well, it depends, but most of them are $5.
Okay.
Linda,
What?
I'll be right back.
I looked on eBay for some to see what they were going for, and
Oops.
some are up to like $30.
Oh, yeah.
But
Crown of Creation.
oh, David, your bus bank,
$2.
$2. Should have asked.
How about $1?
$2.
No, I want 2 for it.
All right.
50 cents. Waiting for the sun.
No, I don't want it.
You'll never know. Give me $1.
Oh boy.
I have to haul that thing back.
Queen.
Here.
Oh, thank you. How much is this book?
There's some good records in here.
Oh. I know it's in that full book.
Ma, it's just very expensive. $5 a record. There's good records in there. And some that I could make a profit on, but I'm not listing them. Hey guys, Dave here, the NC Picker. Thank you for coming with me and my mom and her twin sister to those yard sales. I hope you enjoyed it. The struggle is real. I'm making these videos and just letting you know that the struggle is real. I've moved to a new location, which means new types of items, new types of places to pick. I'm not as comfortable or familiar with it as I was when I lived in North Carolina. So there's a lot of sales I'm going to that I'm buying nothing at. You know, with all the ones you saw today, I still cut out like 5 that I got nothing at, but also nothing happened. I still thought there was some cool stuff in this and that you might enjoy watching it. Those animals that I got, like the lion and the elephant and the giraffe, I gave those to my kids. Actually, my mom took the elephant. She bought it for my daughter for her birthday. But yeah, we got those for the kids. My daughters love the giraffe. My son loves the lion. So that's really cool. And they weren't that expensive either. I got this big power cord, which I'm using right here. So again, not really for resale, but super useful. And then I got some shoes for my daughter. I actually did see some of those Skechers listed on Mercari for like $59.99, but I haven't seen any sold. So I don't really think they're worth much, and my daughters liked them. So I'll worry about selling them when they grow out of them in a couple years. I did think it was funny, that lady that actually my mom is always hilarious, but basically she wanted to buy this, what was it, a board game? No, it's chess for $1. The lady said $2. She was like, or the guy said $2, and she was like, no. And then the guy walks away, and the guy's wife's like, we'll do $1. He's inside. He'll never know. We'll do $1. My mom's like, no, I don't want to do that. And she's like, come on, just give me the $1. My mom's like, okay. My mom gets out to the car. She opens up, like we're driving away, she opens up the chessboard, and it's missing pieces. And she's like, see, she lied to her husband. She lied to me too, David. That's why we don't lie. It was a learning moment for me. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't the most buys, but we'll get there. I've got some plans for this next yard sale trip, and I think I'm going to find some good stuff. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.